InDesign 101. Today we are focusing on running text and images in our design. So if you've got a rough idea but you don't have text and that you know what pictures you want to do. So if you're going to place a picture, you can go straight into File Place, which is Control D if you're on a PC. If you're on a Mac, it's Command D. Those are your differences between keyboards. So Mac is Command D, PC is Control D, or you can just go File, Place, and then go into Image. You're going to okay, if you want to place text, then go to your tool, create a box. If you don't have the text, like I say, then go to Type and go Fill with placeholder text. Okay, so now you've got a whole lot of gibberish there, which you need. So if you want to do something like this and you want to create text wrap so that it will go around the image like that, create a picture box of its own of the rough shape like so. If it's a deep edge picture, it will be a lot easier. You go to your text wrap, this tool over here. Okay, if you do not have the tool on the right hand side, go to your window here, then you'll see all your tools here, and you see the one that says text wrap. Automatically go to your text wrap. Okay, then all you do is you click on whichever one you want. So whether you want it exactly to the edge of the line or exactly square, as you can see, it will create a square, so you want it by the edge, and then that will turn your text into the outline that you, as you runs it around. Now if you had an image that's already on that's been deep etched and everything, you can do it with the actual image where you text wrap with the image and you make it go around. That's how you place pictures and flow text. Simple process of control or edit, place, control D or command. Same with text and that same thing. So if you do have text, you make your text box and you go control D and it will go look for text that you want, and it can be any format. Most layout artists prefer to Word, RTFs, PDFs, and that, so anything, and that is text. And there we go. That's how you place text images.